My friends went to the Pasig River and this is our experience. This is the Pasig River Ferry Service. It's currently the only water-based transportation in Metro Manila. And madali lang siya puntahan. Here's how. Bababa kayo ng Guadalupe MRT Station tapos sundan nyo itong map. Yay! We made it! First come, first serve siya. So, check out the MMDA ferry page for the full schedule. Yung common na question sa akin nung sinabi ko pupunta ako dito is, mabaho ba ang Pasig River? And to answer your question, hindi! Medyo sensitive yung ilong ko at meron akong allergies, pero okay naman siya during the whole trip. Presko, walang amoy, and may mga nakita pa kaming mga birds. Merong batang nagfi-fishing, meron ding ano man yan, and meron lambingan. Sana all. Dadaan din siya sa Malacanang Palace, although wala akong video kasi bawal daw mag-video. Here, it's called town. The trip took about 1 hour. Super worth it kasi libre. See you next time on She Navigates!